Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel one more time. I hope all of you are doing okay in this quarantine period, and without further introduction, I'm going actually to apply this product because I need 10 minutes for it to stay in my hair. So I'm actually gonna apply it now, and then I'm gonna explain everything you need to know about it. So you sprayed in arm length, like so. Then we let it like dry or sink in just a sec. I mean, you might think that I already have some waves, but with this product it helps me to have it more a little defined, but at the same time they look very loose and they smell great. Okay, so then you want to make a very high bun so that the waves start from top of your hair. I'm gonna look funny during the rest of the video, but that's okay. Okay, just hit my face with my hair. So there's that. So if you're actually looking for a small review of all the products that I have, I'm gonna leave the link in here or here, I never know. And that's a brief description of all the products I have. But if you want a more in-depth review about this product, then you can stay here. So this is the Propolis Infused Texturizing Wave Spray. It is 35 euros, and there are different ways to use it. So the first one is the one I'm using right now, which is the easy one. Actually the only one that I've tried because I don't like to do much to my hair. So the thing is that that was quite a nice. So you spray it around your hair like you saw, and then you put it in a bun. You have to wait for, I don't know, for like 10 minutes. I normally like spray it when I'm on the car waiting for a traffic light, and then when I arrive to my work, I just release my hair and it's like, oh, nice waves, and it's like I didn't do anything for them. So that's what I really like about this product. That is actually effortless, and you get very nice waves. What else? So it actually lasts for quite a long time. I have been using this I bought this in February. So it's already 4 months, and I use it, well, now that we are stuck here, not often, but maybe like 2 times in the beginning when I had to go to work. I use it like almost every day, and it's 3/4 of the product, so I think it's great. It will last for a good year. So I mean, it's good value for money for me, and that's one way to use it. You'll see the result when we finish this video. Then the second way to use it is with a curling iron. So you can actually use it before using the curling iron. You let it sink, and then you wait until the product is dried, because you don't want to use any heating device before with your hair wet, because it's very dangerous for your hair and it will damage it. So you wait for it to dry, and then you will be able to define more your waves. It will also help you protect a little bit your hair from the heat. But if you actually want better protection, they have a product for that, which I will not be reviewing because I don't even have a hair dryer at home, so I don't use any kind of product. But I was considering actually buying it because of because it will also protect you from the sun. So like we put sunscreen all over our body, so I was thinking, why shouldn't we put like sun protection all over our hair? So I might buy it for that. I don't know, because you know, like after the summer your hair always looks worse for the amount of time that passed. But anyway, So although products that Negin Mirsalehi sells, they are bee-based products. This one is Propolis Infused. Propolis is the material that bees use to make their like bees nest. So it actually, well, I guess it makes sense because it's a very resistant product and it will make your hair look like tight and defined. Those waves will look great. Propolis is also great for to nourish your hair. It will also have like a shiny look to it. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this product, and it has also a very nice smell, which everyone will ask you about. And now, I mean, it's only 7 minutes, but you will be able to see the results here. You see, waves are much more, like they are a little bit more defined, but they look loose at the same time, and the texture is, it's great. I mean, with other supermarket products that I've tried, they look like your hair tends to get like all together or like stuck all together, but here all your hair is very loose, and your waves will actually last for the whole day. It will not fall down, because in different with other products, they make your hair like so heavy that the waves that you create momentarily will simply fall down. So I'm really happy about this, and I hope you guys like the result. If you finally end up buying the product, let me know what you think about it. And yeah, and that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.